Hi everyone, I'm here to do some Heggerty exercises with you today. Let's start with nonsense words. So today the nonsense words are animal words. See if you can figure out what I'm trying to tell you. What is a torse? Horse. A camel? Camel. A tear? Bear. A mog? Dog. A dolphin? Dolphin. A biger? Tiger. A zion? A lion. And a lurd. A bird. Good job. We're going to listen for beginning sounds now. Repeat the words that I say, and then together we'll say the beginning sound. Peach, put. P. Went, wild. W. Read, rope. R. Sick, side. S. Quit, quiet. Qu. Vest, video. V. Time, tell. T. End, ed. E. Zero, zip. Z. But, bus. B. Good. Let's blend syllables now. I'll give you the parts, you repeat them, and we'll blend it together. Circle. Circle. Penny. Penny. Nickel. Nickel. Country. Country. Exchange. Exchange. Pillow. Pillow. Brainy. Brainy. Neatest. Neatest. Good job. Now we're going to listen for ending sounds. This time we're going to do it in short sentences. So I will say the short sentence, you will repeat it, and then we'll together say the ending sound of all those words. Men join in. Tall Jill fell. Brave Bev dove. Matt beat Pete at bat. Sid picked Fred instead. Jim swam home. Matt caught Pete first. Good. Let's segment some words, multisyllabic words now. So each of these will have two syllables. I will say the word, you repeat it, and then you're going to clap it out. Okay? Here we go. The word is circle. Penny. Nickel. Exchange. Melted. Pillow. Brainy. Neatest. Good job. Now we're going to substitute syllables. So I will give you a word and we will replace the beginning syllable in the word. The word is painful. Change pain to help. Helpful. The word is helpful. Change help to use. Useful. The word is useful. Change use to hope. Hopeful. The word is hopeful. Change hope to thankful. Did I say that? I gave you the whole thing. Let's do that one again. The word is hopeful. Change hope to thank. Thankful. There we go. The word is thankful. Change thank to pain. Painful. Okay, now we're going to add syllables. So we'll start with one syllable and we'll add a second one to the end. Here we go. The word is chunk. Add E to the end. Chunky. The word is speed. Add E to the end. Speedy. The word is mud. Add E to the end. Muddy. The word is fun. Add E to the end. Funny. The word is crab. Add E to the end. Crabby. Okay, now we're going to delete syllables. The word is strongest. Without est, the word is strong. The word is cheapest. Without est, the word is cheap. The word is coolest. Without est, the word is cool. The word is brightest. Without est, the word is bright. The word is sweetest. Without S, the word is sweet. Good. Last exercise, counting words and spoken sentences. Can you come to my house? That's 6. What did he say? 4. I always try to listen. 5. I know I am a smart kid. 7. Don't forget to smile. 4. I have really great friends. 5, and the last one, I like to go shopping. And that's 5 as well. Nice job today.